Oh, I know this. Oh my god. They just get more and more of these kiddos here. I don't know why. She just don't want any more of them. They just keep on getting more. I don't know why. Ooh, even Barney, Clementine, Leo, Caillou, Elmo, and the rest. Oh, there's another one. Yes, it must be Luna Girl. No. Ooh, there's another one. Uh-oh. Hey, there's another one. Well, calm down. Well, Miss Martin, calm down. I know it's Luna Girl because she's there. And then she's doing a you won't believe it. Actually, no, it's like you don't believe it. Like Tom. Like Tom just said in the show of Tom and Jerry, the classic is good. Very good. That was my childhood. Okay, let me see who is. Wait, what? Oh no. Another one. Calm down. Oh my gosh. Let me go ahead and see. When will the R's ever end? Oh my gosh. It's just some kind of computer for saying GRR multiple times. I know, it sometimes gets annoying. Oh no. What? Wait, what? No, no. I know, mice always appear. Ah! Luna Girl, stop. That's enough. Oh dear. Oh no. I know. Me too. Just mice, they're everywhere. Oh. Oh, take care of them this week. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Ow. That ain't nice. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Don't you dare do it, dear. No. Ow. That's not nice. Oh my god. Oh no. Ow. Oh, it went good. I know that. Oh no. Oh no. Ow. What did you just say? Oh no. Oh no. Ow. Oh no. Oh no. Mimpi, look out. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Excuse me? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. I know there mice everywhere. Anyways, can you guess how her summer went? That's not nice. That ain't nice. Oh no. Ah dear. What happened? Oh, I know mice are everywhere. And they tend to run around. They're small. Oh my goodness. That's not nice. Luna girl. Oh, it went the best. It went the best. I know that. Oh my god, Luna girl, how dare you say that? Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Ain't nice. Oh no. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my goodness, but oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What is he doing here? I saw what he's doing. That's kind of funny. Luna. Luna girl. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh, second chance. Uh-oh. Well, no daily quest. Even yesterday. That's something new. What? Another one? What? Calm down. Oh my gosh. Just calm down. I know it's... I know it's Luna girl. As a matter of fact. Ah! Look out, kitty! Oh no. Oof. Why'd you do that? Okay. Here's another one. Yes! Oscar, it's your turn. I can't believe it. That was pretty quick. Oh no, he's coming. Let me win first. Win, win, win. Chicken winner dinner. Chicken, chicken. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. There you go. Ah! before he about to crash into that small hole. Another one. What am I getting at this point? Oh, that. You just scared them. How dare you, my girl? How dare you? Can mice be next besides the same? House bonus stage miss. Oh, we didn't mess up. Good job. Because I will call this a glitch afterwards. You always have to say Luna the moment they're going back. The moment she's going back. Please, please, please. Yes! Over here! Over here! Oh my god! Why? Why? Oh dear. Excuse me. Oh, catnips are everywhere. He's there again. There he is. I don't know why. Oh, Oscar. Luna. Wow. Okay, we can do a little bit. No problem. Something else, something else, something else. Oh, oh. What kind of voice is that? But the moment you... Oh, okay. Oh. From PJ Masks? Yes. Oh, no. Wow. Somebody forgot to clean up this mess in this game. Mmm, cakes. That's one ad word. Hamster makes so much cakes in this game. Luna. Oh my god! Stop this, Luna girl. Too much. Oh dear. Ah. Oh, oh, oh. They go oh, multiple times. Oh man. Ow. That's another one of these? Okay. Why? I'm tired of that, to be honest. No joke. Oh man. Huh. I literally say tuna. Oh man. Carefully. Oh no. Ah. What? Just because it's just the wrong answer. Come on. Get it a chance for a bit. Oh. Oh man. Nah. Keeps on saying that. What? Oh my goodness. Oh. Wait, what? No, no, no. Wow. Luna. Oh, that's it. Oh. Luna. Oh my god. Why? Nice going. But we're switching. What? This is why I should have gotten there back yesterday. If the horde is still be able to be on. Quit it. Okay, you know what? You're going down first. Wait, no. Yes. Yes. Don't change your mind. Don't want to stay there for stuck a few days on this just so I can just go somewhere else from Puzzle and Dragons. Actually, Puzzle Dragons, this type of dungeon like that too. Goodbye. Yeah, that's why I got. Those are like doubles, something like that. I'm gonna sell them. That's a nice guy. Looks like those are the dragons on the back too. Really nice. What now, Caffrey? Now what? Try to put us to sleep, right? Yeah, that's gonna be the answer. Oh no! You can wake up. What? I thought I got rid of them. What? You just decided to get revenge on me after all? You gotta be kidding me. Hey, hey. They belong to me. Not somebody else's unless I... What? No trade. I'm not trading any. I'm not. Need to calm down for some reason. This is how it just turned into kind of utter beyond voice. Oh my god. Oh no, she's doing that to me again. Please stand by. What do you mean took advantage of himself? Why do you keep on doing that? This is so weird. This is not funny. Yeah, exactly. This is not funny. It's some kind of joke. Yeah, that doesn't mean it at all. Yeah, I don't know. Rats, kids, log in with your... Oh, yes. No! Don't call it that! Will you calm down? No! How would she kick her lance like that? That's not nice. Oh my goodness. You just came back. Wait, Molly! Oh! Thanks a lot. For Pete's sake. Ugh. It's alright, Molly. Ugh. Oh my goodness. No, Molly. Are you going to trip? I'm not talking to you, kitty. The other one. Uh-oh. She fell! Molly, must be careful. Why is she always saying that? Ears? Listen up, you. Gosh darn thing. I don't want it right now. No. I know some of the ads weren't even true from the game, but it's like false game ads. Wow. Do I get much them on YouTube the moment I watch a kid's content video? Excuse me? Felt like the app's just updated. Why is Luna doing that? Don't you dare. This is not funny. This is not funny. Now you will believe it. Oh my god. Why'd you do that? Hey. Oh my god. Look at that, coming back. Towards me. Dude, all come in handy. Just excuse me. Not do anything to it. Whoa, come on, fly away. I know, you gotta be kidding me, you dumb piece of cute cake. Stop it. Just stop it. Stop it. Why is she always saying this longer? This is getting annoying. Raz kids. Oh. I thought looks like they're more smaller. I didn't expect this one coming out. Raz kids. Natural Geographic Kids. That sounds like a really nice one too. Ooh, they have the nice bowling. How come she's doing this more often now? Why? I don't know why. She just said like once and then, man. This looks updated.